Well, hello. So that's a month since I've evacuated from the front line of the war, and I forced to evacuate without any flashlight at all. So later I've decided to buy this sort of flashlight, i3T EOS Olight Desrt Tan slim EDC flashlight, which I'm gonna use in my daily life. So today it has arrived to the post and we can unbox this model right now. Well, that's how it looks like. It has IP68 rating. It is waterproof. Actually, it can resist water on the level of 2 meters for 30 minutes. Well, actually, I guess we need to check for a safety membrane. Okay, we have a battery. We need to remove this safety membrane. It uses 3A 1.5 volts usual battery, but I prefer lithium rechargeable 1.5 volts batteries like this double POW. Okay, it has 1000 milliwatt hours. So let's check out how it will work with usual alkaline battery. All right, press. It has two modes, low and high. High mode has 180 lumens and low mode has 5 lumens. Well, it has 1.5 meters drop resistance. Okay. Read me. Before first use, unscrew the tail cap and remove the insulating film. We have removed it already. Do we have something else? Yeah, we have user manual. It has a lot of useful stuff. For example, we can read that for 5 lumens mode it can stand for 16 hours, and for 180 lumens it can stand for 21 minutes. Throw length is 60 meters. Length of the flashlight is 89 millimeters. Diameter is 15 millimeters. Weight is 41 grams, including battery. Okay, you can turn on this flashlight with just soft press. You don't need to hear the click. You just press slightly and release, and press again and release. You can see that modes are changing too. If you press and click, you will fix your mode. Okay, let's check out how this flashlight will work with rechargeable lithium battery. Alright, seems like works the same. Also, it has 5 years warranty, so I really recommend this flashlight because I have one flashlight that I used for almost 4 years and it works perfectly. I left this flashlight at home, so now I have only this one new flashlight and I hope this will serve me really well. Also, you can mention that this flashlight has a double action clip, so you can fix it from one side as well as from the other side too. Well, so that's, I think, all. Hope this review will help you to choose the best flashlight for you. Thank you for watching. See you next time.